Hello class. Today we're going to be going over how to navigate the class and how to find what you're looking for. To start with, you're going to come to the homepage here of the course, which is Mr. Hensley's World History course. The section is Spring 2023 and it's a Monday, Wednesday, Friday course. Here on the main page you will see any information on items that have been posted or announcements. In this case, I have two announcements welcoming you to the course and then one about your first lesson, which is lesson 4 that we'll be doing here in Google Classroom. You'll also see over here to the left our Google Meets area. This is the best way to communicate with me. You can set up a Google Meet time and we can join in here to be able to discuss items that you may have questions on or concerns, so happy to do that. So to find your classwork, you're going to come over here to classwork and you'll see it broken down into sections. So the first section here is World War II. We're going to drop down here to World War I to start with. Here under World War, and all the lessons will be the same here. Under World War I, you're going to see a alliances breakdown section, which is our material that we'll be using to study the course. This will help you with your assignment, which is the causes of the First World War. And you can click on the Lesson 4 document to see the actual assignment here. So we can actually go back here, and then you'll see whether you've turned it in and the due dates and stuff listed here as well. Once you're done with that, you can also navigate by topic over here. So World War II, again, we have a fact sheet here going over it. I also added a comment to make sure that you read the fact sheet about Pearl Harbor. And we have the Pearl Harbor assignment here, which is basically about December 7th, 1941, which marked the U.S. entry into the war. So this is how all of our assignments will be laid out. You will be able to navigate those through there. You can also see your grades up here as you turn stuff in and they're graded, so you can have a real-time look as to how you're doing in the course. Again, Stream will be your home page. You can come here and see everything that's happening in real time. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Thank you.